Hi guys, welcome back to TK channel. In today's video, I am bringing to you a new equipment which is very popular in the summer season. You know, when the weather is sunshine, it's getting hotter, nicer. So a lot of family, a lot of people want to spend much time outside, especially when you have a garden. So you're thinking about, okay, doing a barbecue, doing a party in your own garden or sometime in the park. And now you're wondering, what should I get for my barbecue equipment? If you look across the market, there are tons of different barbecue grill equipment, from different fuel to different brand, different design, different sort of type. So I came from my own experience, and when I spent some time looking in the market, it got me a little bit confused in the way that there are so many different type of barbecue grill. There's so many different branches, and also there are different type of fuel. So there is gas, electric, there are charcoal, wooden. Me personally, I prefer a barbecue grill fuel by charcoal, which make me feel like I'm doing an actual barbecue, to have that kind of smoky, tasty, experience. So when I started to look for a charcoal grill barbecue, the brand that pop up quite often in the search is the Weber. Seem to be a very popular with a high-end premium quality of barbecue grill. So I started to look for a popular model, typically for home use, or for kind of like small garden party, small barbecue party, up to 6-8 people. This is the most wanted, most premium Weber charcoal grill. This is the Master Touch Premium E5770 charcoal barbecue. Master Touch coming from Weber. I cannot find this stock anywhere. John Lewis, barbecue, B&Q distributor, they all run out of stock. Because this is quite popular with lots of recommendation. That's why definitely this is what I'm going to get. And finally, I was able to find the last stock from one of the John Lewis store in the center, in Oxford Street. I have to drive there, get that stock, put in the car, and drive back. So in today's video, more or less, what I'm going to show to you. First of all, I will give you a few key features about it Weber charcoal grill. Why a lot of people are looking for this, why it's quite popular in the barbecue seasons. Stay tuned, keep watching until the end. And if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. Why this item is so popular, why the stock, why it run out of stock in most of the distributor. The weather improves, of course we have a nicer weather, a lot of people are doing barbecue, a lot of people are thinking about barbecue party. That's why this is becoming more tricky to get. Weber is the high premium product in terms of barbecue grill and things like that. They offer 10 years warranty for all of their product. So you are buying the product which you are going to use many years, not that 1 year throw it away and get another one. So it looks like the guarantee of quality is in place. It had a very nice kind of design, high touch design. You see the touch of the barbecue is very nice. The design is cool. So the whole box is around 24-25 kilograms. It's pretty heavy. Usually you need 2 people to carry it. And if you are buying it from a store, it's better to go with the car. It had about 1 meter height, and the diameter is very important. It had 57 centimeters. Diameter is where you will place the meat inside the grill. So it's quite big. I think it's decent for a few people. 5-7 people should be good enough for you. It had a built-in thermometer which allow you to monitor the temperature of the grill. What else there is offer? So apart from high quality engineering from a premium brand, the feature that I really like about this is it has they call it a one-touch cleaning. So basically it's very easy to clean and dispose of after you finish your party. Basically do that, one hand you lift up the grass, you clean the grass, you can dispose of the stuff very easy. So that's usually the thing that we enjoy the party, but at the end of the party it's a nightmare to clean the grill. And after a couple of times, some of the product is no longer clean enough, no longer good for you to keep using it. That's why a lot of people went buy the barbecue grill equipment. It usually lasts a couple times a season or 2 or 3 seasons, and you need to buy a new one. This one look decent. It has a stainless glass, so stainless glass make it very easy to clean, make it hygiene and maintainable, using for multiple times. The last thing is it had the handle which stay cool. The handle stay cool when you cook, and it allow you to lift up the lid and close the lid down very easily. Also, if you look at this box, you see it has 3-in-1. So it has 3-in-1 different function for your barbecue grill. It can do grill, it can do roasted, it can do low and slow cooking. That's some sort of introduction about the key feature of this barbecue grill. What I'm gonna do now is I will unbox this and show you what is inside the box, and then we started to assemble this. Okay? Okay, let's open this. See what inside the box. Instruction. Tool. Is the lid system, so it used to hold the lid. This is very nice because in the previous model the lid is quite heavy, and when you cook you want to check the food. It's very convenient because in the previous model the lid is heavy and you have to check the food regularly when you open the lid. This one will keep the lid stay on the grill. I think that is nice feature, very nice. Yeah, so this is something inside. This is the lid. See the lid? It's quite big and heavy.
The wellness shell.
To put the charcoal for the grill.
And that box. Got that box. Or do we got this box? No way. No. What? No one.
This is the leg. Leg. Yep. But they have a wheel, so you can move it around easily. Yeah, this is inside the box. So there's a number of equipment, the leg, the wheel, so you can move things around.
is the long leg, and the long leg has to go here, where the handle is. So, grab the long leg. You put the long leg, and then remember this handle. I put it here. It will lock the leg. Similar for the other leg. So remember, you put two legs, the main leg and the second leg, and leave the third one at the end. Now you need to put it in. You want to put it in. Put those? Put it in like this. So the last one here, you need to measure. You need to measure before you put it in. Like my thing. That's why they put two holes here. So you can turn it so that it fits. It's in this. Now it's time to put the wheel on. have the light, the wheel. Now install the second half. Easy. This is one of the very useful features in this model. You see, when you turn the lid up, you turn the lid down, you still see that it's able to hold the lid. In other model, you will have to take the whole lid out when you do the grill. These are the stainless glass. It's very heavy, so when you turn it to hold it, you feel like it's a very high quality product. So. Now put the second layer of wrap inside. And the middle part is basically separate from the grout, so you can replace it with a different sort of like grout or better quality, whether it offers a better quality of fish, but it comes separately. Anyway, this one.
Okay, so finally I was able to assemble this. It took me a while actually, so there's a number of steps to assemble, and be careful because all of this material is quite sharp. It's heavy and it's sharp, so whether you should wear a gloves. So in general, the material looks very high premium. Yeah, when you touch it, when you carry it, you can see it's definitely a different standard. The grill is look quite simple to use, quite simple to operate. Right there, you have a thermomat, built-in thermomat, and you open it, and now with this model, the lid is staying. You don't have to take it out. It's very nice, and they have it inside. You can, take it out, replace the charcoal, put more charcoal inside, and the space inside is quite big. So a pizza, you can do a toast. You can even do the slow cook because it has space inside. You see, it has space inside. This one allows you to turn on, off and on, which means that it allows you to control the airflow from inside. So you can leave it like this, so the air is coming out, and sometimes if you do slow cook, you can close it and turn it completely off. It's quite shiny, iconic design, so really look really nice. At the bottom, if you can see it, what is that? It make it very easy to dispose or to clean it and to operate. So if I turn it on the disposal inside, it will falling out into the bucket, and then I can take the bucket and throw it away. Very easy to operate.
only have 5 people, so how are we